This Adelaide Grand Final edition of Post Round Dump, we learn the word kerfuckle. We get behind 69, and one of us develops a completely healthy and not at all concerning alcoholic addiction. So grab a crafty, sit down, buckle up. This is the Post Round Dump Adelaide Grand Final kerfuckle review awards show. Bring the intro.
First, go some jam, fuck yeah.
The big guns come out.
Don't be a smarty about it, or you're going to win one championship.
Brilliant. Centigrade's out.
30? Fuck yeah. Can't start it.
Hello fellow legends and welcome to the Post Round Dump Adelaide Grand Final kerfuckle edition. As usual, we don't do professionalism. We don't do sponsorly questions, and we sure as shit don't know what the fuck we're doing. So we asked you lot what you wanted in an Adelaide review, and honestly, I'm starting to think that you guys have gone soft. Like, maybe just all like the kind of sick, twisted souls have just fucking been arrested or something, or sent to a mental institution. I don't know, like, boo, Post Round Dump's gone woke, boo. Ah, there we go. Holy shit. As usual, some of you guys need some clinical fucking help. And, yeah, that one was me. Anyway, enough bullshit. Let's get into some news before we end up getting fucking barred from every racetrack ever. But before we do, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, spread the dump, do all that shit. You'll be a fucking legend. Let's get into it. And great news. We got behind 69. Nice. No Trev, you horny little meerkat. The number 69 Aussie racing car piloted by the absolute legend and Australia's greatest motorsport mustache, Cody Mackay. After some tense negotiations and arguably the two greatest launch videos in Australian motorsport history, Cody Mackay is now officially a Post Round Dump factory auto racing team driver, putting him up with the likes of Lincoln Evans, Brent Peters, and Brendan from Batch Motorsport. And Cody, thanks for being an absolute good sport, even if you may have got in trouble with Max. Why can't I be a factory driver? Trev, you lost your license after blowing a blood alcohol reading of 5. Not 0.05, 5. Hey, that was a world record, right? You hit a bloody house, Trev. Yeah, fuck you. And now, for Monster Fuck of the Round. Brought to you by Kostecki Wall Movers. You got an 8-ton concrete wall that needs moving? Sick of walls just existing? Call 0800 Kostecki Wall Movers today. Now to Monster Fuck of the Round. This award goes to the bloke who monster fucked it harder than anyone alive over the weekend. And today, we all award it to the kid from the movie Up, Thomas Randall. Congratulations. Russell committed absolute turn 8 abuse by aquaplaning his Mustang into the concrete barrier and just completely ruining the race and finishing the race early. So, thanks for that. You know, he bent the barrier like a bloody arm wrestle gone wrong. Just ask Weedle Sailor. Take a bow, Russell. Adelaide streets were pumping with big dick energy over the weekend, but there was one bloke that was radiating with so much energy he could have powered the entirety of South Australia. Despite having an engine that sounded like a fucking 2-stroke lawnmower humping a nuclear bomb. This week's Big Dick Energy winner is Brock Feeney. Congratulations, Brock. You may not have won a championship, mate, but you definitely won Big Dick Energy, which is pretty much the same thing with less interviews and money and respect. But you won Big Dick Energy of the round, so congratulations, mate. And I hope you're doing alright. I hope you're hanging in there, because I know you'll come back swinging next year, mate. Boo! Triple A bonus! How much does SCAF pay you, huh? Huh? Trev, like I told you last week, mate, we lose 6 beers an episode making this bloody show. No one's paying us shit. And now it's time for kerfuckle of the round. And I'm pretty sure you know what accident I'm going to talk about, because it was talked about on social media, an absolute fuckton. Championship on the line for Feeney. Wood to Keen to get to the top. Morsett sitting behind like a disappointed babysitter. And Oshin Sidrick was probably already a lap behind, let's be honest. As you can see here, before the corner there is a gap. But Wood gets thinner towards the tip, and as you can see here, Feeney gets thicker towards the tip. So then the tips kind of touch each other and then cause an accident. And that's never a good time. As you can see by this, Wood came inside Feeney. Feeney tightens the gap for Wood. Feeney gets bent by surprised Wood. Wood shafts Feeney. Feeney refuses to submit to Wood. Wood pushes harder into Feeney. Sometimes Wood just can't fit in the gap. Feeney rubs Wood on the wall before insertion. Feeney's weenie sword fights aggressive Wood. Moral of the story, putting your Wood into a tight space doesn't always mean a happy ending. Hey, Mecca, you meant to have a drink after every dick joke. Ah, fuck. How many dick jokes are there, mate?
Well, there's one joke per joke. That means that
Fuck. Oh.
And now for Inbred Around. Supported by the He looks like he's absolutely conked it. Gets a smooth to carry the show as usual. Alright, dickheads, Tasty Trev here. Inbred of the Round goes to none other than Supercars and Sales for not investing in proper track drying equipment, for fuck's sake. NASCAR's got some fucking state-of-the-art hair dryers, massive jet turbines, big loud American fucking hairdryer from Hell vibes. They blow water off the track with more force than a bogan blowing into a fucking breathalyzer at 3 AM. But Supercars, what do they roll out? A ute dragging a fucking doormat from Bunnings, for fuck's sake. A doormat. Mate, I've seen local council street sweepers with more technology. Hell, I even saw a bloke driving a fucking driveway of a leaf blower, and that had more R&D behind it than the entire Supercars wet weather conditions department, for fuck's sake. Stop embarrassing yourselves on the international broadcast by deploying the Bunnings Bath Mat Motorsport Safety Team, for fuck's sake. Toasty Trev out.
Thanks, Trev. Insightful as always. So what did we learn today? Absolutely nothing. We added zero value to the sport. So if you've made it this far, congratulations. Have another beer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or don't. Do whatever the fuck you want, but help spread the dump in some way, shape, or form, please, because you'll be an absolute legend. See you all at the post-round dump end of year Christmas special.
Just plucked her in first, gave some jam, fuck yeah.
The big guns come out.
Don't be a smarty about it, or you're going to win one championship.
Centigrades.